What does the 2020 for Toyota Tundra engine sound like? If you are curious about the sound of the 2020 for Toyota Tundra engine, you are in for an interesting discussion. The Tundra is equipped with a twin-turbocharged V6 engine, which is a departure from the traditional V8 engines found in earlier models. This change has brought about a different auditory experience for drivers and passengers alike. When the Tundra is idling or accelerating gently, the engine sound is quite subdued. Inside the cabin, it is smooth and refined, making for a comfortable ride. It lacks the deep rumble that many expect from a truck engine, especially if you are used to the sound of a classic V8. Instead, the sound is well muffled and modern, providing a pleasant driving experience without being intrusive. However, when you push the Tundra harder, such as during rapid acceleration or while towing, the engine sound becomes more prominent. The turbochargers kick in, creating a higher-pitched, mechanical tone. This sound is sharper and more energetic compared to the traditional growl of a naturally aspirated V8. While you can hear the engine working, it remains manageable and does not overpower conversations inside the truck. For those familiar with larger trucks or 18-wheelers, the Tundra's engine sound is less about the low-frequency rumble and more about efficient power delivery. Drivers who are accustomed to the loud, deep growl of diesel engines may find the Tundra's sound to be a bit different. Nevertheless, the engine is designed for performance and efficiency, which is reflected in its sound profile. It responds quickly, remains smooth at higher speeds, and only becomes assertive when you really push it. The cabin insulation in the Tundra plays a significant role in keeping engine noise at bay. This means that the driving experience is quieter compared to many commercial trucks or older pickup models. The sound profile is tuned for comfort, making it suitable for long-distance driving without being overly loud. The twin-turbocharged engine technology means that two turbochargers are used to force more air into the engine, enhancing both power and efficiency. The direct injection system sprays fuel directly into the combustion chamber, which improves performance and fuel economy. These advancements contribute to the unique sound and feel of the Tundra's engine. In essence, the engine of the 2020 for Toyota Tundra sounds modern and efficient. It offers a smooth experience with a noticeable presence when needed. While it may not have the deep rumble of a V8 or diesel engine, it provides a sharp, energetic note under acceleration that aligns with its performance-focused design. For truck enthusiasts, this sound reflects the latest in truck engineering, prioritizing comfort and efficiency.